Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, and I do hope that everybody is having a great day or a great night, wherever you guys are. The weekend is finally here, as you guys are probably all aware, so I hope everybody is having a great weekend. If you are, definitely hit that like button, and also comment down below how your day or night has been going. But today, we are going to be talking about XRP, aka the $1 trillion standard. Listen, to me personally, I do believe that XRP will be worth $1 trillion plus in market cap. But that does not matter. What matters is the overall value disruption that XRP will have. And this is on a global scale. Now, I do have a few things I do want to cover in this video. Some old information, some new. But mainly, I do want to address the overall focus point of XRP. So one, cross-border payments. Very easy market to understand. Very easy market to go after. Very, very hard to capture a significant percentage of it due to the players behind it. So as we do see Ripple trying to disrupt this market with new age technology, it is going to be a challenge. But we are all aware of that now. But this has been the payments market that we have been addressing for a while around XRP's value, just because we know that this is their main focus point. Now, this is from Ernst Young. This is from the EY.com, and we do see how new entrants are redefining cross-border payments. This is an article that we have come back to many times because it does give us a valuation on the market, $156 trillion market. We also do see a lot of the players behind this, and you see how complex this entire market looks and how the structure of it is pretty much utilized on a day-to-day basis. It's a very, very expensive process. It's a very complicated process. And this also comes with a lot of inefficiencies, meaning new age technology does have a benefit within it, and it is ripe for disruption. As we do see down here, it's ripe for disruption due to changing customer demands, emerging market growth, and financial inclusion. Now, with this, we also did see an updated view from Ernst Young. We did see disruptive technologies, regulatory scrutiny, and new market entrants are transforming the payments world. The paradigm shift is both a threat and an opportunity for existing payment service providers. Keyword, threat. The issues are broad and complex, including biometrics and other emerging technology, open banking and application programming interfaces, APIs, faster payments, cross-border issues, and more. Yes, we are seeing a major shift happening. It's a radical change. And you can look back around everything within this. We are seeing power behind the technology being harnessed through giants around the space that we've been, really kind of looking at, talking about, and focusing on. And it's not even just, financial institutions, banking clients, fintechs. No, it's whole nations. We are seeing countries coming together and saying, okay, well, we need to become a crypto hub. We see countries coming together and saying, okay, we need to disrupt and we need to change our entire payments landscape. We need to have a facelift for our payments infrastructure. And this is happening in real time right now. Now let's go back in time. Transforming global payments, enabling the internet of value, Ripple. Now we've talked about the internet of value. Very simple. Enable the world to move money like information moves today. Now, let's look at a few things. So these were the two major solutions that Ripple did have. Now, mind you, this is an older article. This goes back to about 2018. We do see XCurrent and XRapid. These are two big ones. This has basically turned into on-demand liquidity. This is basically RippleNet. We do see connectivity solution, coordinates transactions across ledgers, bidirectional messaging, plus real-time settlement. XRapid liquidity solution, leverage a digital asset for reach to new corridors. Enables global reach without pre-funding overseas. Then we have xCurrent, connectivity solution, coordinates transactions across ledgers by directional messaging plus real-time settlement. Basically the same thing that we do see up here. This is like three of the solutions. They go in depth on xCurrent, as we do see down here. They talk about legacy connectivity, the entire process, what is like the major problems behind this in terms of delays, risk, and uncertainty. And then we do see Ripple, coordinated process enables new benefits. Here are those benefits. And these are strong ones that we've talked about many times in the past. This is a very simple structure compared to what we do see up here. Like each one of these steps is providing another issue around this system. It's a very complex and it's a very, very inefficient mechanism around settlement. Now, down here, we do see the key functions, bidirectional messaging and tracking, ISO 20022. This was in place from 2018. ISO 20022 is not new. It's been an old format. We just have not seen harmonization as an approach to adopt the ISO 20022 standard. This is becoming a thing. This is messaging, though. Please know that. Then down here, we do see real-time settlement instructions, capable of running 24/7, 365. Then down here, we do see RippleNet, specialized for interbank payments. RippleNet. Here's RippleNet with all of the major central banks, all that sort of thing that everyone has been addressing around like a bridge currency. XRP would be parked at the center point here. Network of financial institutions underpinned by interledger connects and coordinates ledgers. Banks maintain their own ledgers, enabling scalability and data privacy. Leverages cryptography and encryption from blockchain technology. This is what we've been focused on for a while around the evolution of the banking system. And then down here, we also do see the advisory board, which we are all aware of the major names. And then here are the case studies. This is what we've seen back in 2018. This is what allowed for a lot of people to realize the value of this and say, okay, yeah, this is going to be a big game changer. Now, from this time to now, we have seen a large change. But the main thing that we focus on, is reducing payment friction. This is the cost per international payments transaction average for 2013 to 2015. Now today, this is a little bit more expensive. This is from McKinsey and Company, and you can see the main scope of the transformation program. So look at this. This is insane. You have payment operations, 9%. Notional offshore liquidity, 34%. Again, utilizing the Ripple mechanism, you get rid of the notional offshore liquidity all in general. Claims and treasury operations, again, as well. Like, there's a lot of issues tied to this. Now, here's the past. Reach through pre-funded relationships. You can see all the problems within this. And then here is the future. Expanding reach using a digital asset, aka XRP, would be at the center point here. And this is the bridge to everything. And you can see the benefits here. Use case bridging fiats to solve for liquidity. Here you guys have XRapid. So this is their original design. So you can see how everything will be utilized here through XRP. XRP will be the main focus point. That's why up here you could see that XRapid, aka on-demand liquidity, would cut out all of these major funds and fees that are a part of the process. Like, this is today still. Like, we still have this in place today, except it's a lot more expensive. So this is the game changer that we've been addressing for so long, and you could see the example production XRapid payment flow on how this is basically utilized and the total transaction time. Now today, I think that this is actually lower now. And then here's the Ripple infrastructure innovation. This is pretty much everything that they have been doing. And by the way, this gives us a little bit of an in-depth view on who they were engaging with at this time. For an example, Bank of England. Ripple, selected to inform the next generation of RTGS payment infrastructure. Federal Reserve, faster payments. Ripple was selected to serve on the steering committee of this industry strategic initiative. Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, again, to leverage Ripple for cross-border payments. International Monetary Fund, Ripple was selected to serve on the IMF's high-level advisory group on fintech. And this is still today. They have ongoing engagement with 40-plus regulators. Wow. Kind of puts things into perspective now that we have the SEC going after Ripple, right? Again, this is why I like to include some of the older information around Ripple as well. And they do go in depth on a few things around RippleNet, a lot of what they want to do with this. This is going to be a global distributed network. We're kind of seeing this evolve, especially with Quant. Quant is becoming a big leader around this as well. I do think that they will play a vital role, and I've talked about this many times. Now, also, we did see over here Ripple and XRP overview. This gives us a little bit of the solutions base point behind this. You can see the company overview and all that kind of stuff. They do mention the internet of value. Mainly, the reason why I wanted to include this is just to give you guys a viewpoint on how simple this process is and also the components behind it that, again, even today, these are big, vital areas to focus on. But this is also another one that I wanted to include was XRP. So the use cases for XRP at this point, there was only 2. Now, mind you, a new updated viewpoint for this was this one around the XRP ledger. It described what XRP is, how XRP is used today. Here are all of the use cases around XRP today. E-commerce purchases, cross-border payments, central bank digital currencies implementation, interest generation and payment, decentralized finance or DeFi, micropayments for online streamed content, in-game purchases for video game players, and there's a lot more. Remember, tokenization, things like that. There's a lot of things evolving on the XRP ledger. And you could also see things around this. Approximately $1 billion worth of XRP was or is traded daily as of July 2021. It is supported by 92% of the world's top 25 cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, we do know some, have changed due to the lawsuit, but we're still pretty much supported by some of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. And by the way, the $1 billion worth of XRP that is traded daily, it has made it one of the most liquid cryptocurrency assets available. And you can see the background behind this. And you can also see the benefits compared to other cryptocurrencies. Fast, reliable, inexpensive, available, secure, sustainable. And then they also do break down the XRP ledger. Now down here, again, this is from 2021, prominent international regulations regarding XRP. XRP has been recognized as a currency or utility token in a variety of jurisdictions, including the UK, Japan, Switzerland, and Singapore. Now, the thing that you all clicked this video to see was this tweet here. $1 quadrillion in gross settlement volumes in 2022 from the Fed Wire. There were approximately 196 million transactions averaging $5.41 million each. What do you see from Crypto Airy? Payments. Now, what I do want to include in this video is that we will not see XRP move all the money. Before there's comments down on the video saying, Nick, it is going to move all the money. Bullshit. I'm calling you guys out. Listen, I've talked about this many times on this channel. At first, yeah, there was a great use case for XRP to be, all right, yeah, it's all the money, it's all the money, it's all the money. We know that today there is DLTs that are extremely efficient on moving and settling money as well. XRP is not the only major player. But, when I say but, there's a large amount of money, quadrillion dollars worth of gross settlement volumes in 2022 from Fed Wire alone. Think about this. 1%. 1% of some of these markets. And it would change the way some of these tokens are not only recognized around the world, but also traded. Because, and I've said this as well on this channel, like, you have some of the largest use cases available within this market, and some of these tokens long term will hit numbers that you never even thought were possible. Think about it. Think about it like this. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has hit $1 trillion plus market cap. We have people projecting a $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of this year. We have people projecting a $500,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025. Now let's think about this. Take a step back and look at the overall market cap here for Bitcoin at a $500,000 price prediction. Now let's take a quick look at XRP at a $9.7 trillion market cap, a $190 XRP. Now let's go back to that tweet. $1 quadrillion worth. $1 quadrillion worth. Think about it like this. At 1%, this would be $10 trillion. Do I think that 1% of this market could be pushed over XRP? Sure, but is that going to allow XRP to hit a $10 trillion market cap by itself? No. Got to remember that if XRP is settling $10 trillion, its market cap is going to be significantly higher because that is not how market cap works. For example, if XRP had a market cap of $9.7 trillion tomorrow, does that mean that XRP has $9.7 trillion invested into it? No. It means that somebody is willing to pay $190 per one XRP. With all of the use case potential, with all of the information that we have here, with how large of an opportunity we have with XRP and what we could see happening within the next couple of years around the financial system, I do believe tokens like XRP will play a vital role in the evolution of nearly everything. We're not just talking about payments, we're not just talking about transactions, we're also talking about tokenization of equities, tokenization of debt, tokenization of real estate, tokenization of nearly every single thing that has value. And like I said, XRP will not be the only player, but I do believe that with the valuations that we are disrupting, these tokens will be $1 trillion plus standards. It's not just going to be XRP that will be $1 trillion plus standard. No, there's going to be multiple ones. We are going to see the rise of the new Amazons and Googles and Apples of the world. And right now, as we do focus on crypto, we are extremely early on this technology, to the point where big bankers and financial institutions have yet to even dip their toes in the water. And when they start to, that's where we do start to see big money pouring into this market. Now, there is still obstacles that we need to get over, but I do believe that that time is coming very fast. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. So that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.